Hi, I'm Tommy Webb, and this is the Rockschool Guitar Method, your complete guide to learning to play the guitar. I'm a session guitarist based in London, and my day-to-day varies greatly from recording for artists and labels to playing gigs and festivals, as well as teaching the guitar. In this course, we're going to learn all the key skills you need to become a confident guitarist. We'll start with the basics: how to hold the guitar, how to hold a pick, where to put our fingers, and how to read music. We're going to be learning 6 different styles of music: pop, rock, country, indie, metal, and even hip hop. Each style has its own skills, whether it be the way we play the notes to how we set up the amp. So there's a lot to learn and a lot to get through in this course. You won't believe how quickly you'll progress, and in a few weeks, I promise you'll know how to play the guitar. This might sound daunting, but we're going to go through it together and break it down step by step. By the end of the course, you'll know how to read music and even a little bit of music theory. The course comes with loads of extras like backing tracks and interactive sheet music. It makes it feel like you're playing with a band and makes it really fun to learn. If you've always wanted to play the guitar and learn some cool pieces, join me and let's get started.